Welcome back, gardeners. Today, we're discussing an essential step in growing carrots: thinning your seedlings. Thinning is crucial to avoid overcrowding, which can lead to small, misshapen carrots. Let's dive into why it's so important and how to do it right. Carrot seeds are tiny, and it's easy to plant them too close together. If seedlings aren't thinned, they'll compete for nutrients, water, and space. This overcrowding can cause carrots to grow small, twisted, or misshapen, reducing your overall harvest. Thinning should be done when your carrot seedlings are about 2 inches tall. Aim to space them about 2 to 3 inches apart, giving each carrot room to develop properly. Gently pull out the weaker or smaller seedlings, making sure not to disturb the remaining ones. You can even use small scissors to snip them at the base if pulling might disrupt the roots. By thinning your carrot seedlings and providing enough space between them, you're allowing each carrot to grow straight and reach its full size. Proper spacing also improves airflow and reduces the risk of disease, leading to healthier plants overall. Thinning might seem like a tedious task, but it's key to growing healthy, full-sized carrots. Stay tuned for more tips on growing carrots, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening advice. Happy planting!